Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to share your location on WhatsApp. We'll cover sharing your live location, sending your current static location, and how to stop sharing whenever you need. Understanding these steps ensures you can connect safely and effectively with your contacts, whether for a short period or a quick update. Let's get started with the basics of location sharing. To share your live location, first open the chat with the person or group. Tap the attachment icon, which looks like a paperclip, then select Location. From there, choose Share Live Location. You'll be prompted to select how long you want to share, perhaps for 15 minutes, 1 hour, or 8 hours. You can also add a quick message before sending. If you only need to share your exact spot at a specific moment, you can send your current location. Again, open the chat, tap the attachment icon, and select Location. Instead of choosing Share Live Location, simply tap Send Your Current Location. This sends a static pin on the map which will not update as you move. It's perfect for a quick, one-time location update. Stopping your live location sharing is straightforward. In the chat where you are actively sharing, you'll see a message indicating your live location is visible. Simply tap Stop Sharing on that message. Alternatively, you can go into your WhatsApp settings, find the location options, and end sharing from there. This ensures your privacy and control over who sees your whereabouts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.